Please tell me one evidence against me. And you are telling the most honest DIG of police. That honest DIG of police history we know.
May I make one last?
You don't understand. You can't cheat this nation. You will face the consequences. I am telling you. Don't tell me that you have done wonderful thing. I have done wonderful thing. I have done this country proud. Today's PSLV is 25 flights are my contribution. Please tell me what is your contribution. You have been wasting the time.
You see, there is not a question, general question.
One second.
Tell me only one
We
question.
cannot, today.
What
today,
was the evidence
if you damage a
against me?
politician's reputation in this country, that politician chases you right up to the,
Let him chase us. He's just
No,
chasing.
you
Let
tell
him
me
chase
what
it.
was
He has
that?
every right
What
to
was
if
that?
Yeah, I agree
Evidence
fully.
against
Meenakshi
me.
Lekhi also.
No, you cannot escape.
my
You
last
cannot
comment on this
escape, Sri
entire
Kumar.
case
Tell
is very
me
simple.
what was the
Mr.
evidence
Nandi Narayan
against
happens to
me,
be one
either
of
on
the
record
top
or
scientists
oral.
of this country, who actually worked for the country and was the brain behind cryogenic engines. And cryogenic engines technology was sabotaged in this entire episode, and it is the country which is at loss, not just Mr. Nambi Narayan as a person. So people who have done it need to pay for what they have done to the country. It's a treachery towards the country is one statement. The second statement is, as a person, what Mr. Nambi Narayan has gone through, I think he deserves an apology, and not just an apology, but a full compensation and complete rehabilitation package from now on. And people like Mr. Sri Kumar and other police officers who are responsible, and why these only? The entire trap needs to be discovered. Who all are responsible for this? Because there is a book by Mr. Brian Harvey which says that Russia in space, failed frontiers, in which it is said that CIA was responsible for sabotaging this particular program of India in ISRO, where the rocket fuel, liquid rocket fuel was being used. So I think a lot needs to be uncovered.
Please give me time to answer.
No, 1 second. The question is this. You see, I'm not so much interested in the politics.
I'm sorry
of
to
it, Mr.
interfere here.
Srikumar.
I'm not concerned.
As I'm interested in the human
I'm sorry
aspect
to
of it.
interfere
But he's
here.
saying something.
You see, the
Yes,
chairman
Mr.
of ISRO. No, please forget about the human aspect. Professor Dhawan, whom I regard as God. Professor U.R. Rao, whom also I regard as an architect of the Indian space research. These two people, in a signed document, have said that if this is what is going on, I am talking about the spy case, we cannot rule out the possibility of other foreign agencies' interference into this. Now, my point is very simple, that the entire space program, including the cryogenic, was jeopardized. And today, what I was supposed to have sold, the technology 18 years back, is not available today, even today. And this interesting character keeps telling that, okay, he has done a wonderful thing of catching me red-handed. I am asking him repeatedly, what was the evidence against me? He doesn't have an answer. And he says, I have no authority to interrogate. But at the same time, he has interrogated.
In charge of the investigation.
So, what I am saying is that he has played in the hands of the CIA. Absolutely clear to me. He has played in the hands of the CIA.
Let me answer.
Either knowingly or unknowingly, I don't want to give him the doubt. Now, my point is, he doesn't know a damn.
You are saying something very serious. 1 second, Mr. Nambiar. You are saying,
he won't be able
you
to
are saying, Mr. Nambiar, that you were targeted by foreign agencies?
I am targeted by not only foreign agencies, it is the project was targeted, and I happen to be the prime affair, and I was targeted. But my point is, these characters sitting here were the moles. Let me ask you one question. Ratan Sehgal was charge sheeted and asked to get out. And he was an IB person who was joint director IB. And he was asked to get out. Now tell me what was the charge? He was collaborating with the CIA. Out of 49 meetings unapproved, his meetings were 9
my
times
question goes,
videographed.
I have 30 seconds on
So
this,
is it
so I
not
have to ask the Congress
established that
representative
there
one
is a
thing.
mole
Mr.
in
Goyal,
IB?
the question goes to you. Take the politics away from it. The UPA gave a clean chit to Mr.
He
Srikumar.
was a mole in IB.
But what about...
Not only me, all others.
No,
all
one
others.
second.
No, I'm not talking about
UPA
UPA
There
or,
was a specific
LDA.
investigation and a specific clean chit which was given to you as well. I have the documents with me.
No, other IBs are IGs also.
Yeah, but it was specifically also for you.
Yes, all of
It
us.
was for
All
you.
of us.
So my question to you, the Congress spokesperson, Mr. Goyal, is that, okay, you gave a clean chip to Mr. Srikumar. The scientist on the program, Mr. Nambiar, feels, however, that Mr. Srikumar did not deserve the clean chit. My question is, what did you do for Mr. Nambiar? You helped the Intelligence Bureau officer, but what did you do for the scientist? Whose entire reputation, career, prestige, mental health, the trauma that he suffered, what did you do for him?
Arnab,
Zero.
I will say
Nothing.
that whoever is wrongly
In fact,
groped and
this is a
suffered.
country-
Let me
First
complete
time
now. At least
Arnab,
give me
I
30,
regret
60
that
seconds without
not
interruption,
having
Arnab.
accepted the
Be
US
fair
order.
to me, please.
Mr. Nambiar, let the Congress spokesperson
May I
reply.
now?
After that, you can
Without
speak.
any interruption.
Yeah. Yeah.
Arnab, let me
Yes,
tell
please.
you,
Mr. Goyal.
if any innocent has suffered, he is entitled for all the compensations and sympathy. Shri Kumar was deserving promotion as DGP. Modi has wrongly harassed him and didn't promoted him. Thereafter, tribunal, after his retirement, tribunal has said no, it was wrong decision on the part of the state of Gujarat, and Shri Kumar was promoted. That was wrong. Modi should apologize. And the same way, if something is happened with any scientist or any citizen or anyone, I am not shy to say sorry to anyone who has suffered, who is innocent and suffered. Yes, we are sorry for them. But the NDA was in power for years together. What they did. Today Meenakshi is shouting from the rooftop.
Mr. Goyal, I take
What
your point.
NDA did during that tenure for
take
years
your point,
together,
but there are some
and they were
things,
silent.
Mr. Goyal,
Today, after
There
19
are
years,
some
they are
things
raising
which are
voice.
beyond politics. There are some things which are beyond politics. And I
Yes,
say today,
I
I
say
put
that.
this question to all our news hour viewers. First
Yes,
of all,
and that's why I said.
Mr. Nambiar, I am grateful to you that today you spoke your heart out on this channel. I am absolutely sure, Mr. Nambiar, that the people of India have heard your voice
Please
today.
permit me to speak for a minute.
And I believe that television is a transparent medium. If you are true, people have heard
No,
what you've
please
said
permit
and they will
me to
believe
speak
you
for a minute.
whatever you say. Yes, Mr. Nambiar. Closing. Mr. Nambi Narayanan, sorry.
No, Mr. Arnab, please permit me to speak for a minute, 1 minute. The people who created this case, let it be Sibi Matthew, let it be Sri Kumar, let it be Vijayan, let it be Joshua, they were all promoted, conferred IPS, and also given prestigious, meritorious service. Please understand that is one side. Another side, my compensation case, in spite of NHRC awarding it, it has taken 11 years for the Kerala government to give me that money. Immediate interim relief. Where are we living? What is this society? I have not done any crime. The criminals are being promoted. And I am being punished further. You think that it is worth living in this country? I'm sorry. But that is the state of affairs. And here is a person
like you
who still
who will
defends
inspire a lot
that,
of people.
oh, I
But
have
on
not
your
done
behalf,
this.
I put a question to the news hour viewer today. My question is, do you feel injustice has been done to Nambi Narayanan? What would you like to say to Nambi Narayanan? Mr. Nambi Narayanan, I will collect the feedback of our news hour viewers and send it to you so that you can understand how strongly they feel, perhaps in your case and for what you have suffered, Mr. Narayanan. But for coming and speaking today with courage, with bravery, and for being forthright, and for Mr. Srikumar for coming and giving your point of view, and to Mr. Goyal, thank you very much for joining me on this news hour debate. Thank you.